How to log out on all devices on Facebook. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can simply log out on all devices on your Facebook. So what you need to do is simply get into your App Store or your Play Store and make sure that your Facebook application is updated. Once it's updated, what you need to do is simply get back and open it up. I'm insisting and I just can't emphasize on this much enough about your updating application because the new features won't be able to support the previous versions of Facebook. Now what you need to do is simply get into that freelance icon or that hamburger type icon that is at the top right corner, and once you have tapped on it, this is the kind of a screen that will appear up, under which you're gonna go into settings and privacy. Here you need to go into your settings, and in the settings all you need to do is get into password and security. And now you see that what you need to do is simply get down below and get into your see all, and now you can simply log out of all sessions. Once you'll tap on log out of all sessions, you would be logged out from all the devices, and this way you're good to go. So this is how you log out of all devices in Facebook, and if you guys still have any question or query, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. Furthermore, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the YouTube channel. And don't forget to click that bell icon in case you'll receive notifications about further awesome videos like this. Till next time, peace. Take care.